Dirty dealings, corporate battles, consumer woes. This is Evening 5. The High Court in Shah Alam on Monday overturned a Sessions Court ruling that awarded some $700,000 to a businessman who had filed a suit against Luno Malaysia for failing to safeguard the cryptocurrencies in his Luno account last year. In her decision, High Court Judge Dato' Haziza Kasim had reversed the decision, stating there was no security lapse on Luno's part, which caused the businessman to lose $600,000 from his Luno account. The Sessions Court had last year awarded UC Ta some $700,000 after it found Luno to be negligent. In the negligence suit that Liu filed, he claimed that his Luno account was hacked into and held the platform responsible for failing to safeguard his holdings. Petaling Jaya Sessions Court Judge Sazlina Safi said Yu had proven his claim against Luno based on the balance of probabilities. The court held Luno to be negligent and awarded Yu $597,920.05 together with additional $100,000 as exemplary damages. However, Haziza differed with the Sessions Court. She said the judge there in her decision had imposed a high standard of care and duty to Luno with not enough evidence tendered. Haziza then awarded cost of ringgit to Luno. Bursa Malaysia Securities has publicly reprimanded former dealer's representative Ong Kai Boon and fined him $409,000 for engaging in manipulative trading activities involving shares in 11 counters. Ong has also been ordered to be struck off from the register as a registered person of Bursa Securities. According to the regulator's statement, while being employed as a salaried dealer's representative at Kenanga IB, violated specific rules and regulations governing the Malaysian securities market. The 11 counters were Equinix Technologies, now known as Zentech International, Equinix Warrants A, K1 Technology, Vivocom International Holdings, now Vinvest Capital Holdings, Gets Global, now One Glove, Bintai Kindang Corp, Sino Huaan International, now Techna X Solution Group, Malewa Industrial Group, Lion Industries Corp, and HPP Holdings. Ong is alleged to have consistently engaged in order book manipulation for approximately 6 months in the securities of these counters. This is despite numerous trading concerns raised together with illustrations highlighted by Bursa Securities and actions including trading suspensions imposed by Kenanga IB on Ong, according to the statement. Ong continued to engage in manipulative trading activities despite clear warnings and actions taken by Bursa Securities and Kenanga IB, which it said demonstrates a blatant disregard for market regulations. Bursa Securities added that it will not hesitate to take severe action, including suspension/striking off a registered person and imposition of fines which commensurate with the severity of the breach. US data center company Equinix announced that it would invest $23 million to acquire land in Cyberjaya, Selangor to expand its data center capacity. Equinix said the acquisition will be instrumental in meeting the rising demand for data center services in Malaysia and the broader Southeast Asia region. The acquired land, measuring 14,300 square meters, is less than 1 kilometer from its existing KL1 facility. Equinix Malaysia MD Chiam Tat In said that Malaysia boasts a substantial internet user base with a staggering 96.8% of the population actively engaging in various digital activities such as video streaming, online shopping, online banking, and gaming. He added that businesses operating in Malaysia are increasingly seeking secure and scalable data center services and access to digital ecosystems to meet the demands of this tech-savvy consumer base. The company did not provide further details on the planned capacity expansion. Equinix already has data centers at 2 sites in Malaysia, JH1 in Johor, where the company invested $40 million, and this was followed by an over $100 million investment in KL1 in Cyberjaya in 2023. TuneProtect Group has appointed How Kim Lian as its new group CEO effective Monday, succeeding Rohit Nambia, who stepped down in May 2024. The insurance company said How's new role will involve deepening TuneProtect's penetration into the lifestyle ecosystem and engaging with key regional players to establish the company as a leading regional insurance provider in the travel sector. Commenting on his appointment, How said he is committed to driving sustainable growth and profitability across the region delivering exceptional value to the group's customers, strengthening partnerships and maximizing returns for investors. The company shared that How joined Tune Protect in 2020 as the group's chief financial officer and has played a key role in overseeing the procurement, legal and corporate secretarial portfolios alongside his core responsibilities. Before joining Tune Protect, he was the Group Deputy Chief Financial Officer at AirAsia. Tune Protect Chairman Dato' Mohamed Kadar American said How's extensive experience and proven track record in financial management and strategic development make him the ideal leader to advance the group as a key regional player. Johor-based developer Paragon Globe is buying more land in Plentong, Johor Bahru for 34.96 million cash as it looks to further enhance its presence in the state. In a BOS filing, Paragon Globe said its wholly owned subsidiary, Paragon Business Hub, is acquiring 2 parcels of freehold land, measuring approximately 11.09 acres and 8.24 acres respectively from EKL Holdings. Paragon Globe said the land will be used to develop 64 units of terrace factories, 20 units of semi-detached factories and 5 units of detached factories with an estimated total gross development value of 293.5 million and an expected gross development cost of 226.7 million ringgit. Accordingly, the group is expected to derive an estimated gross development profit of approximately 66.8 million over the duration of the proposed development. The proposed development is expected to commence in March 2025 and is envisaged to take 3 years to complete. The land is situated right next to the land area that Paragon Globe has been accumulating over the past few months. Upon completion of all the land acquisition, the developer's land bank is expected to reach 309.86 acres. Paragon Globe is controlled by Executive Chairman Datuk Sri Edwin Tan Pei Sing and his brother Datuk Sri Godwin Tan Pei Po, who also serves as the Group Executive Director. Prominent businessman Tan Sri Robert Tan Hua Chun, who is also known as the Casio King, also holds a substantial 9.82% stake in Paragon Globe.